I started by making a light pencil drawing using close observation of the leaves, then I darkened some areas. This is a wet brush on wet paper technique. I'm brushing clean water in the area I want to add color to. The paint will spread inside the wet area, but it will stop when it gets to the dry area. I've loaded my brush with pre-mixed watercolor paint. I'm lightly touching the tip of the brush to the paper, allowing it to spread and soften. I can move the color around where I want it to go and add other colors that will mix together where they touch. I decided to add a little green on the tip of the leaf to make it look like it was just starting to turn. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can gently pick up the color with a paper towel. Don't scrub the paper though. Just gently press down with the paper towel. Scrubbing it can roughen up the surface of the paper and it will look bad. You can move the color around where you want it to go and add other colors that will mix, making new colors where they touch. If you get too much water on the paper, you can just soak up the puddles with a paper towel folded to a point. Keep adding colors and gently move them with the tip of the brush. I'm allowing the colors to bleed together, creating soft color variations. Don't overmix the colors though. With the wet on wet technique, it looks nice when the original colors and the mixed colors are visible. Cool colors are good for creating shadows. I'm using violet since it will be mixed with yellow-orange, and I don't want it to turn green. The leaf is still damp, so the violet is blending in, and the edges of the shadows are soft. For the stem, I am painting on dry paper. The brush is not very wet to prevent the paint from spreading out. I shaped the brush into a point and am just lightly painting with the tip, not smooshing to get a fine line. I'm pretty happy with the color of the leaf now. I just need to make a little touch up here. I decided to paint this leaf red for contrast. Pick paint up with a dry paper towel as needed. Once again, I'm lightly touching the brush to the wet paper to add color. Try to be patient and build up the colors slowly in layers. It is easier to add color than it is to take it away. I'm using violet again to paint the shadow where the leaf curls up. Time to add cast shadows. I allowed the leaf to dry, I'm brushing clean water on the paper where the cast shadows will be painted. The violet stays in the damp area, stopping at the edge of the leaf. The shadows tend to be darker where the leaf is touching them, and lighter where the leaf is curled up, not touching the paper. One last bit of advice. Remember to use the same light source on each object so the shadows are cast in the same direction.